Welcome to my new video. In this video, we will discuss topic respiration in organisms for class 7. So, I am going to teach you the further topic of respiration in organisms. Please, students, concentrate here and try to understand what I am telling. First of all, I want to introduce you about introduction. Topics covered in the chapter. Which topic? First topic is why animals breathe. Second topic is how plants and animals respire. Students are to demonstrate that plants respire. I will explain one by one. Definition of respiration. Concentrate here. Living things require energy for the activities of life. Energy is released in cells by the breakdown and oxidation of food by the process known as respiration. So, I think you can understand definition of respiration. Respiration, we have to concentrate here. What is respiration and what is respiration and why it is important? Respiration, the process that involves intake of oxygen and energy from food, is called respiration. Respiration is also called cellular respiration, internal respiration, or tissue respiration. So we can say respiration is cellular, internal, or tissue. Is it clear? It is the process in which food is broken down in body cells through various chemical reactions in the presence of oxygen to give out carbon dioxide along with water and energy. It takes place in cells of all organisms and is depicted by the following equation. So, you know respiration and what is its process. Its process is breakdown of food that we eat, and we can explain with the help of equation such as glucose plus oxygen and product is carbon dioxide and water. So reactant is glucose and oxygen and product is carbon dioxide and water. I am going to further point. Your further point is following. A sugar called glucose is the main source of energy. Everyone know about sugar? What is sugar? Sugar का सोर्स क्या है? Sugar is the main source of energy. It is formed by the digestion of starch present in food. The process of respiration shown above is common to all the living organisms, both plants and animals. It consists of three phases. First, diffusion of oxygen into the cells. Second, oxidation of food in the cells to produce carbon dioxide and water. And third one is elimination of carbon dioxide from the cells. So, it is clear from above statement. Sugar, everyone knows about sugar. So, diffusion, point to be noted here. Point to be noted here is diffusion. Diffusion of oxygen into the cells. That means you have to understand what is diffusion. Diffusion means mixing. Okay? So, we inspire oxygen with the help of nose and it diffuse into the cells. Oxidation of food in the cells. Oxidation means oxygen react with carbon and produce carbon dioxide, and it is necessary to elimination of carbon dioxide from the cells because carbon dioxide is waste material. I will teach you further topic. Please concentrate here. Types of respiration. How many types of respiration? There are two types of respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. This is clear from name. Aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means with oxygen and anaerobic means without oxygen. So, aerobic respiration is of two types depending upon the utilization of oxygen. We can also say respiration is of two types depending upon the utilization of oxygen and aerobic and anaerobic. So, I am going to the point aerobic respiration. The word aerobic means that oxygen is needed for this chemical reaction. So, in this chemical reaction, oxygen is needed. In this process, the food molecules are combined with oxygen and get oxidized inside cells. So, food that we take combined with oxygen that we inhale and get oxidized inside cell. These food molecules are then broken down into carbon dioxide and water and energy is released. So, it is clear. So, aerobic respiration is clear. Aerobic in the process of aerobic respiration, oxygen is necessary. All food molecules contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The process of oxidation converts the carbon to carbon dioxide and the hydrogen to water. Food molecules, everyone knows, food molecules contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Every food molecules made from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So the process of oxidation converts the carbon to carbon dioxide because carbon is present in the food and oxygen be inhaled, and the hydrogen to water, and hydrogen is already present in food item, and oxygen which we inhale combined with hydrogen and product is water. Aerobic respiration be summed up by the following equation. We can understand with the help of equation. Glucose plus oxygen, energy, and reactant is glucose and oxygen, and carbon dioxide and water released, and also give energy. So your topic respiration is completed, and we will discuss further topic of respiration in next video. So please like my video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.